Hello, everyone. Today is Monday, 4/17 or April 17, 2023. I wanted to share with you a couple of trades I made in gold. I did not trade anything else, just gold today. I was profitable, $310 uh, per contract, so a total of $27.90. And the market in general has been very, very slow today as a good Monday. And I'm going to just leave it like that, I guess. I missed some trades in gold. Um, that one there, that entry right there was a good one. It was right at this click. You see that there was a momentum below the zero line. You have zero line here. In actually during the day, it has been below the zero line the whole day. So I took one. I hesitate when I take three in a row, and actually my target was actually the 2000 right there. But I did not really trust my. I didn't know if it was going to happen today or not. But anyways, it was still profitable, not bad. So wanted to share with you why I took this trade. So you see that momentum in the 30 minutes is to the downside here. It's bearish. And price action also, or the price is below the moving averages here. So you do have moving average to the upside. And here you do have, a break and then a continuation right there all the way to the 2000. Normally prices come in waves, and I was actually looking at this. You have one wave there, second wave there, third wave there, and then fourth wave there, fifth wave there, sixth wave there. So it is actually, I take the two or three, and I thought that it was going to come with fours. So I put some target below this area, but it reversed before it reached it. So here you have the first entry right here at 2016, and then it was sold on a reversal right here, right? Second one was this entry right here. I'm going to put this one in a different color. So you have second one right there. This one is a 2014.4, and then didn't reach the target, and came back up. So the first trade here was $180 profit, and then this one was $130 per contract. Remember, 130. So remember, you have to multiply this one, or in my case, I multiply it by 9, and that would give me $27.90, so $2,790 for today. Yeah, and I miss this. I mean, I'm okay with this. I didn't take that one. That one would be a loss, but I didn't take that one. This one would be kind of on a scratch, a little bit of profit, and then I didn't take this one either. And then market started to move to the back above the 2000. So the 2000 was kind of like the target. I thought that it was going to go with more force or to it, but it started to not chop, but going around more than what I was expecting. I would like this to have, this entry would go up until at least that green area, and it didn't. Now that I'm looking at it, you do have an area of support also, of resistance right here. So you have that one there. You come back down and then move up. You have that level of resistance there. That one would have been a good entry as well. And this one here is another setup that I'm looking, and it's a continuation from there. It's a second entry short. So you have a move to the upside didn't go work out, came back, gave you a higher low, and then a higher high right here, and then it fails. So that one is a second. It's a bull trap right there, or a second entry short. That one would have been a good entry. All right, so that is the trade for the two trades for today, and I think that I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna show ES if you still are there. Look at that. This is really nasty price action today. I was waiting for it to move above this price right here. Never did. At least so far. I don't know what is going to happen. And then if you go to the down of your bearish, then you have that line there. But it has been kind of like moving in this area the whole day. So I don't know what's going on. Very, very choppy. Be careful. This is probably not a good price action for you to. It's not trendy, so very hard to make money this way. Unless and until moves above this area right here, or moves above this double top right there and move to the upside. Right? So all right, so that would be my my trades for today, and hope you see what I'm doing and take advantage of this video. Thank you so much for watching.